So like I said, this is darkness level. I have my lightest on the far left,
Yeah.
and the darker obviously is on the far right. And then I can make that guy and that guy go even darker, but that's why I was asking, what level of darkness do you want these?
So like to eat for tonight, I
Yes.
would go with the far right.
Okay, do you want darker?
No, like that's good. And then, you know, anything else would be fine now in terms of if anything's going to be reheated. But
So if I did those three now and then put those three over to keep them not as dark. We eat these tonight. We take those. I take those off. We'll cook those later. We'll reheat those later. But these are what we're gonna eat tonight.
That's perfect.
All right, sounds good. All right, sweet. Well, all right, here, Doak cooks. You heard the chef. We're eating this tonight, and then we will eat those on that side later. So I'm gonna pull these guys off, and then we're gonna consume these right now, and then those guys will go in the air fryer tomorrow. All right. Happy Eater Doak Cooks, everybody. See you guys tomorrow. So one of the frustrating things about using charcoal is that when you want to just cook up a couple of hot dogs or a single hamburger or a single chicken breast, this is probably about an hour and a half since we had hot dogs, and I'm still holding heat on the grill, so it just is what it is. But my suggestion is, if you are going to then basically cook up your grill and get it warm for a small amounts, have some backup. I had considered grabbing some frozen chicken and toss it on here as well, but I didn't want to get into that. But yeah, that's kind of one of the things. If you have a charcoal grill, you kind of, it takes a whole lot just to do a small amount of meat. So, is what it is. All right, everybody. Have a great night.
I got a broken